KampAlliance has developed various long-lasting and durable infrastructures, partly made up of prefabricated elements that can be built on site, such as a reverse osmosis container stored in a single 20-foot container, which can treat 7 cubic meters per hour, equivalent to the consumption of around 1,000 people. These infrastructures enable the armed forces to establish a long-term presence anywhere in the world in an expeditionary context. Another example is the ultrafiltration infrastructure that treats 15 cubic meters per hour of wastewater, equivalent to the consumption of 2,000 people. A physical chemical settle tank containing coagulation, flocculation, decantation, and multimedia filters to make drinking water with a flow rate of 11 cubic meters per hour, the equivalent of the consumption of 1,000 people. Depending on the quality of the water used, this technology can be employed alone or in conjunction with a reverse osmosis container. To guarantee water storage, raw water or treated water, several types of water tanks have been designed in the form of containers or cylindrical tanks with modular capacities. Wastewater can be treated and reused thanks to our wastewater treatment plant. It operates on the activated sludge process and contains a rotary screen, aeration tank, and clarifier. A reuse unit is supplied for reusing water that contain coagulation, flocculation, microfiltration, UV disinfection, and chlorination, for example, or membranes. All these modules can be combined in a plant in any part of the world, such as the one installed at the Cincu French military camp in Romania. It can supply 2,000 people. In response to requests from the French Military Infrastructure Department of the Ministry of Defense, KampAlliance has also co-designed new innovations such as the drilling head protection. This 10-foot protective container is an innovation designed to protect drill heads from human and environmental damage. MTE60 is a solution for seawater desalination that contains reverse osmosis system as well as treatment, remineralization products and disinfection. It has a capacity of 3 cubic meters per hour and can treat water with salinity of 35 to 40 grams per liter. This 20-foot container can be transformed into a 33 square meter surface area. It can be used for a variety of purposes: office, living area, medical room, and many more. Finally, a range of containers has been designed to meet different needs: showers, toilets, laboratories, offices, etc. MTE75 has been certified by the French Military Infrastructure Department of the Ministry of Defense. It makes possible to eliminate a lot of chemical components, such as high level of turbidity, iron, manganese, ammonium, arsenic, mercury, cesium, cyanides, and with a removal rate of over 99%. The same applies to bacteria such as coliforms, viruses, etc. It has been fully validated by the Army Health Department, in French, SSA.
KampAlliance travaille avec l'armée française.
Historically, KampAlliance has worked with the French Military Infrastructure Department of the Ministry of Defense. It was with them that we designed systems such as the MTE75, which is quite revolutionary. It is a water purification plant in two 20-foot containers that can produce between 75 and 100 cubic meters of drinking water per day and can treat 95% of the surface or deep water found on Earth. So it's quite revolutionary. This system was co-designed with the French Military Infrastructure Department of the Ministry of Defense and complies with the French Armed Forces standards. It can also be used by civilians. The French Armed Forces can purchase in advance and store a capacity stock with these infrastructures to save time on D-Day. As soon as there is a request, they can transport these machines on sites. Will accompany the French Armed Forces in construction, startup, exploitation, operation and maintenance worldwide. The Water Production Unit, or UPE, is a structure that integrates all the infrastructure required for the drinking water process within a prefabricated building, offering a compact, optimized solution.